Hi everyone, let's discuss question number 28. The product of real solutions of x of the equation x square plus 4 mod x minus 4 equals to 0. So this is a very basic question. So there will be two methods. I'll be taking method 1, method 2 and one mistake. So I'll cover these three things in this video. So let's take the standard method, that is method 1. So for that we'll consider two cases. X is greater than equals to 0, x is less than 0. For greater than equals to 0, the equation would be x square plus 4x minus 4 equals to 0 because a mod x will be open as x because x is greater than equals to 0. Now for this case, equation would be x square minus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. In both the cases, roots are real because our discriminant is greater than 0 in both the cases. Now let's try to find out the roots. So x would be minus 4 plus, we won't consider the minus case over here because in that case the entire root will become negative, right? And we have this case over here, x greater than equals to 0, so we won't be considering that case. So minus 4 plus under root b square plus 4ac minus 4ac, that will become plus 4ac. So basically that is also 16 divided by 2, and over here we'll be getting a root 4 plus, but over here we won't be considering plus sign because x is less than 0. So 4 minus under root b square minus 4ac, that would be 16 plus 16 divided by 2. Now you will get 2 times root 2 minus 1 over here, and you will get minus 2 times root 2 minus 1 as the root. Okay, so you can clearly see the multiplication part. That would give us minus 4 times root 2 minus 1 whole square. So C would be the correct answer. Now what is the shortcut method? X square plus 4 mod x minus 4 equals to 0. Now we can write mod x square as x square and vice versa because this is eventually going to be positive number, right? So we can write x square as mod x square. So I write it as mod x square plus 4 times mod x minus 4. Now this becomes an entire quadratic equation in mod x. So what we'll do, we'll find out the root for mod x. So mod x will give us minus 4 plus, again we'll consider plus case because this is mod x, under root 32 divided by 2. That will be root 2 minus 1 2 times. Now we know that if mod x equals to this, then x would be plus minus 2 times root 2 minus 1, right? So you'll directly get the two roots from here. So you can multiply it and you'll get minus 4 times root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now what mistake can be done over here when we are applying this method? So we might forget that we are finding the root for mod x, and we are also finding the real solutions for x. So what we might do over here, so this is the equation which has been written. Now we can clearly see that, okay, product of roots is minus 4. So we might directly mark B as the option, which is incorrect because that also contains imaginary solutions. So we are talking about real solutions, and that too of x. That would consider imaginary solutions, and that too of mod x. So don't do this one. This is one mistake which can happen probably in this question. Otherwise, the question is fairly simple.